I'm on another road trip from Florida to California, so booked a lot of pet-friendly hotels along the way, and my first stop is Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I'm staying at the Drury Inn Suites. This is the first time I've heard of Drury Inn, and I'm actually staying at two Drury hotels along the way. So my first stop is here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and then my next is in San Antonio. So far, so good. The check-in was great. I was a little frazzled though when driving into the hotel. There's a lot of traffic around here because there's a hospital right next door, and there's a lot of restaurants and fast food. So traffic is kind of crazy. So it was hard to make a left turn into here. I had to kind of do a U-turn, but then I got stuck in between lights and I was blocking traffic, so that was really stressful. But made it here safely, and check-in was really fast and very smooth. The lady up front was very nice and informed me that they actually serve free dinner and drinks from 5:30 to 7, I think it was. And also free breakfast in the morning. So, I mean, free dinner is great. And I also like that their pet fee was under $50. It's $35 a night. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you a tour of this room. Kuma's right there, and she was enjoying the carpet as usual. Over here is a lovely accent chair and a little table, side table with a lamp. Oh, there she goes again. So yeah, I got 2 queen beds. I laid on it just for a little bit. It felt pretty comfortable. Seems pretty quiet. We are right next to the interstate, and lots of stuff going on, but don't really hear much, so it's well insulated. Over here is the computer desk and work area with a mirror in front, a luggage rack, a TV, and there's some drawers, but there's also a microwave and a refrigerator, which I also booked hotels that would have refrigerators since I'm taking food and drinks along with me. Microwave is nice. And then these are the drawers in here. I like that they put the remote in a sealed cover here to let you know that it's clean and disinfected for your safety. Some channels that they have. Digital air conditioning system. I always bring Kuma's bed. I actually had to buy a new dog bed because I left one of Kuma's dog beds at one of the hotels in Nashville, so had to get her a new one, but she seems to like it. It's smaller than the other one, but I wanted a smaller one so that I could travel with it easier, right? Very basic in here. No toiletries really provided. I mean, not any travel size ones anyway. So they provide lots of towels. That's the toilet there. So yeah, towels here, towels there. That's the bath towel. And Kuma, you gonna take a bath? Just checking it out still. It's fine. Nice shower head. And they got conditioner, shampoo, and body wash in these containers here, which is nice. I actually like this more than getting the travel size bottles lately. It's just easier and I don't forget to take it in the shower with me. Plus I have a lot of travel size bottles now, so I don't need any more. And plus it's less waste. Hair dryer underneath here. And yeah, oh, I didn't realize that this is a closet in here. I thought this was just, cause I was wondering where the closet was, but there's a little handle here. And excuse me, I don't want to hurt you. Watch out. Nice size closet with an iron and ironing board. And it can fit in there. Okay, so over here, they have 3 outlets by the beds, an alarm clock, and another 3 outlets here at the work desk. And then one more down there. So they have plenty of outlets, which I'm always a fan of. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this room. Really nice size, pretty big. And Kuma could run around if she wants to, right? Are you gonna do some running? Yeah, let's let some energy out. That'd be good, because we're gonna go on the road again. So this is just really an overnight stay. So it's perfect for that. And it's perfect because it's pet friendly. So Kuma really likes this, right? Yeah, you do, you love this. She seems really happy. And if she's happy, I'm happy, right? Yeah, baby, can I get a kiss? Thank you. Okay, so I don't know. I might get that free dinner. I did have a little bit of a snack really when I got here because I was kind of hungry. It was the homemade food that I made before I left. I don't know, I might check it out if I'm not tired. I mean, I am kind of tired since today was a pretty long drive. I drove for 11 hours total. Might just stay in the hotel room and get some rest for the rest of the night. Unless Kuma wants to go out again, then we might do that. But she's an early sleeper too and an early riser, so it might be good to go to bed early. Okay, so I did go downstairs and get some food. Since it was free, I figured I might as well just get a little bit of something. So they had steamed veggies, Alfredo pasta, grilled chicken, and salad, and also soup. I got a salad and the Alfredo pasta. You also get 3 free drinks. I thought it was just one drink because you get a card when you check in to say that you get a free drink. So I gave him my card and he was checking off something. I thought he was just gonna keep it. He's like, oh wait, no, you have to take it back. I'm like, oh, really? He's like, yeah, you get 2 more. I'm like, what? I get 3 drinks? That's crazy. So yeah, they give you a lot here. And it's not just wine and I don't know if they have beer, but so it's like 4 different wine selections, and then they had a Bloody Mary margarita. I think it was tequila sunrise. So I did go with some white wine Chardonnay, and they put it in a plastic cup with the lid for you. How thoughtful. And the people down there were so nice. Yep, just got a little bit of something, you know, to eat. And then my salad. Lettuce doesn't look that fresh, so I don't know, but here it is. I'm probably not gonna eat this. Oh, it doesn't look fresh for sure. Okay, just had some of the pasta and it's kind of awful. Sorry to say. I mean, it's nice that they, you know, provide complimentary food, but I don't think I could do this. Let me try one more time. No, I can't do it.